Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine and healthy. So let's start the part 2 of chapter number 4, that is the internet web browser. So now the next topic is that is Microsoft Internet Explorer. So it is also called IE in short, is a web browsing software. It is most popular web browser. Internet Explorer comes with the Windows operating system and it is also available separately from Windows for the Macintosh and Unix platform. There are now many versions of IE and they offers more features and add-ons than the previous one. Now the next is starting Internet Explorer. Now the steps are, first of all, click on Internet Explorer icon. This is the Internet Explorer icon, this one. You have to click on it. After that, the Internet Explorer window appear. If you are not currently connected to internet, a dialog box will appear that allow you to connect when you finish browsing, and this is in this portion you have to write down here URL address, that is any website address. After that, when you finish browsing to the information on web, click on close button and close the Internet Explorer window. This is the close button in red color, this one. You have to click on it and close it. Next, Internet Explorer window, that is before working on IE web browser, you should know about its content. So number 1 is address bar and instant search box. This is the address bar and instant search box. I will highlight this one. So it is used to type a URL address of a web page that you want to visit. Next is address list. Now this is the address list, this one. And the address list, by clicking this arrow, you will see a list of addresses you have typed into the address bar. After that, next is back button. This is a back button, this one. Take you to the previous page you were on. Next is forward button, this one. Click on this button will display the same page on your screen on which you were working before using the back button. Next is refresh. This is the refresh button, this one. Refresh the current page to show the latest information. You can also refresh the current page by pressing F5 key from keyboard. Next is tab. Now this is a tab, this one. This is a tab. If you click on it, it will display a new tab. You can see written here new tab. Click on it, it will display a new tab in front of you. So next is home. It displays a web page that appear each time whenever you start Internet Explorer, and this is a home. This one, you can see this is a home. After that, the next is tools. It displays the different setting of the web browser. This one is a tool, this option. Next, favorite button. The favorite button, the start, is placed in between the home and tools. This is the home and this is the tool, and this is the, you can see this is the home and this is the tool and this is the favorite button. By clicking on this button, you will get a list of favorite and history. So these are the simple, and we can say that these are the content in Internet Explorer window. Now the next is displaying a specific web page. So you can display any page on the web that you have heard or read about. You need to know the address of the web page that you want to view. Each page on the web page has a unique address called a uniform resource locator, and in short we also call it as a URL. So click on this area, this one, it's a highlighted, and type the address of the web page and then press the enter key. So here suppose I will write down the www.google.com .com. Then press the enter key. Now it will display the web page according to your requirement, whatever you type in this area. After that, selecting a link. So link are also known as hyperlink. A link connects text or an image from one web page to another web page. When you select the text or image, the linked web page appear. So now the simple steps are: position the mouse pointer over the highlighted word or image you are interested. So I just want to open this one. Sale is live in Amazon, and you have to click on it. Now you can see it will open. I will again repeat the steps. This is the back button. Click on it. So this is my home page. After that, I just click on it, and you can see my mouse pointer here, the arrow, and here a hand. That means it is a hyperlink. It is a link. You have to click on it and it will open. These are the simple steps to selecting a link. Next topic is opening a web page in a tab. For to opening a web page in a tab, again the same steps. This is a new tab. You will click on it, and also you can take a new tab from here, and you will enter any something, whatever you want to search. After that, press the enter key. Now the next topic is displaying and changing home page. So home page is the first page that is displayed when you open Internet Explorer window. So you can change the home page anytime as it is required. Simple steps are: first of all, click on home icon. So this is the home icon. This one, you have to click on it. So this is the home page. Next step is changing the home page. So click on the tool. This is the tool button. Click on it. After that, click on that is internet options, this one. After that, this is the current that is a URL address. After that, click on use current, and last click on OK. So now these are the simple steps to changing your home page. Now the next topic is search engine. So if you want any information on any topic for which you do not know the URL, you can get the information through search engine. Actually, the search engine is a program that searches through the collection of web pages for a particular information. It allows user to enter any keyword, that means any word, for which it displays a list of websites with related information. So many search engines use a program called Spider to display a list of all web pages that contain the word you entered. So now some popular search engines are Google. If I type here Google, you write down www.google.com. This is the first popular search engine. After that, next is that's mentioned in your book, that is Bing. This is the second, and the third that's mentioned in your book, that is Yahoo. Write down a particular word, particular keyword. After that, press enter key, and this is the Yahoo. So these are the basic three popular search engines, that is a Google, Bing and Yahoo. So this is all about of your chapter, that is the internet web browser. Thank you.